back to that Corridors of Justice story. The High Court has halted the implementation of the multi-billion shilling Kenya-US Health Cooperation Framework just days after President William Ruto returned from Washington with a deal in hand. The court has frozen any move that could allow the transfer or sharing of Kenyan sensitive health data, pending a full hearing of a petition filed by Senator Okiya Omtatah.
The High Court has put brakes on the contested Kenya-US Health Cooperation Framework by issuing conservatory orders suspending its implementation. Justice Lawrence Mugambi directed that no part of the agreement allowing the transfer, sharing or dissemination of Kenyans' medical or sensitive health data may be operationalized, at least until a full hearing is held. The temporary orders follow a petition filed by Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah, who argues that the deal threatens the privacy of Kenyans and violates several legal safeguards.
If you look at the obligations in there, they bind the government. That's a very, very deceptive attempt to put this agreement outside the framework of the Constitution.
He also sought to stop the government from spending public funds or entering contracts related to the agreement.
Who has appropriated that money? Where is the government going to get that money? You go further, you find that there are thousands of employees, the people who are going to be recruited to work under this arrangement. And then in 2028, when the arrangement expires, they are supposed to transfer to the government. Where is the Public Service Commission?
The court ruling comes just days after President William Ruto returned from Washington, where he signed the $1.7 billion health partnership. With public concern rising, the president moved quickly to reassure Kenyans that their personal health information remains protected.
There is no equivocation of whatever that the agreement we signed can undermine the interests of the people of Kenya, including matters to do with our health data.
What guarantee do we have that we are not opening up Kenya to be a laboratory of guinea pigs? It is only the individual who is affected who can surrender their health data to a third party who is not the medical facility where they are being attended to.
Ruto insisted that the Attorney General vetted the document thoroughly to ensure Kenyan law takes precedence.
Nobody and no government will take advantage of the people of Kenya as long as I am president.
You go back to issues of sovereignty of this republic, you find that the instrument is couched in a language that makes Kenya a client state of the United States of America.
The president also appeared to suggest that much of the outcry was being driven by non-governmental organizations. Groups, he says, are unhappy with how the new partnership restructures health sector funding.
I know there are entities that have been benefiting from these resources, and as a result, they are sponsoring all manner of stories around. If they have a problem with the current structure, they should go and talk to the government of the United States.
For now, all government agencies are barred from implementing any part of the Health Cooperation Framework until Senator Omtatah's petition is heard and determined. The matter returns to court for the inter-parties hearing in the coming days.
It must submit the Bill of Rights and things like those. It cannot just be that because we need some money, therefore we sell our birthright. Exactly what Ruto is doing, trying to sell our birthright for a bowl of soup of some 300 or whatever billion in US dollars.
Sydney Chazima, TV 47.